This is Brighton. We are here in Brighton. We're staying over there at the Mercure Hotel. Here's us earlier in the bar. What a day. This is the old pier here, which burnt down. Absolutely loving Brighton. Ash, what are you thinking to Brighton?
Lovely. It's gorgeous now the sun's come out. Very
Yes,
happy.
It was raining earlier. It's beautiful.
It's nice and bright now. Good idea walking on the actual beach. Very impressed with the architecture at the hotel. I don't know, would you say it's Regency grandeur?
Oh, yeah.
It's like hipster chic.
Hipster chic,
Yeah.
Lovely.
The interior is really nice.
It's just lovely. Because earlier it was raining, wasn't it?
Yeah, when we arrived it was absolutely very wet.
Oh! What's that?
That is the Ascending People. They're having a view from higher up.
Do you want ever to do that?
Nah.
I love being on the beach in the sunshine.
It might be a bit like prison, but with the option of plummeting to your death.
Oh!
But I do like being up high. So
Yeah, so maybe. One day maybe, but
maybe one
not
day.
today.
No.
It's just lovely being on the beach.
Yeah, it's nice. More enamoured by a pebble beach.
Yes, I thought I loved a sandy beach.
Yeah. But actually, pebbles you can sit down on and you don't get sand all over yourself.
Oh,
So 2 or 3 years really.
Yeah.
Since we went to Aldborough.
yeah, I love a
Well,
pebble
actually,
beach.
a pebble beach is the way forward.
Definitely.
It is the future. Quite literally, because this will be an actual sandy beach eventually, I suppose.
Will it?
So it really is the future.
Wow.
Yeah, erosion.
Pebble Beach is the future. Who knew?
Can I let you into a secret and the vlog? So you know we said it was raining earlier.
Yes.
I can feel that I'll get a little bit damp from sitting on this beach. So we should probably get up and go and eat
To be fair, I have got jeans on, and you've got
like cords,
trousers on.
corduroy sort of things.
Oh well, but it's beautiful. But yes, you're probably right.
Let's arise
Arise.
and eat.
Okay, let's go eat something.
Shall we show them what we're going to eat?
Oh yeah, we're going to Shelter Hall, which I'm very excited about.
Which I think sounds like a temple. Like
I just think it sounds like a hall, but yes. So excited for that. Let's go eat. Loving that slogan, never normal Brighton. So true. It's like this house, an upside down house. Only in Brighton. It reminds me of the house from Disney Pixar's Up. We're arriving at Shelter Hall to get something to eat. So we're here in Shelter Hall, absolutely loving it. What do you think, Ash?
amazing, amazing building. I've just downloaded the app. I'm going to peruse the contents of the app.
So we just ate at Shelter Hall. What did you think?
I thought it was amazing.
Yeah.
So what was it? So we had burgers. We had the truffle bacon burgers.
Oh, lovely.
We tend to have the same things, so we don't argue.
And then we had the chili fries, was it?
Chili fries to share.
And what was that like? Was it cheese bites?
Cheesy bites.
And that was all from Rudy's Burger, which was which was the pop-up. And that's what's lovely about Shelter Hall. It's a pop-up experience. It's just lovely, like little pop-ups, independent pop-ups in one big place. And we had Asahi beer to drink.
Yeah.
And it was just lovely. The atmosphere was lovely. Everyone's so friendly and welcoming as we came in. And it's just so nice to be right beside the sea. It really is.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
Hello, I am the fortune-telling donut of Brighton.
Just looking at the pier at night is stunning. Apparently that's a fortune-telling donut.
Oh, I've heard that somewhere as well.
The fortune-telling donut. If you come to Brighton, make sure you make it out here, not just to the pier.
Oh, the pier's closed. Have to come back tomorrow. What a funky fountain. Love this signage.
And this is Brighton Pavilion at night. What a time we've had in Brighton. Why not subscribe on my circle here, and also check out this video here.